Welcome to Jones Junk Journals and more. Today is the and more. I will be making heavenly hash, which is a dessert that Mom used to make for us when we were kids. First, I always like to chill my bowl and the beaters when I make whipped cream. And this is such an easy recipe. All you need is whipped cream, sugar, bananas, marshmallows, and fruit cocktail. I have this one in grape juice because we don't need the extra sugar. Okay, I already did wash my hands off screen. Always put the beaters in before you plug it in, just in case. And we all know how to make whipped cream, right? Okay, put that for recycle. I forgot very important ingredient. It's a little bit of pure vanilla. Now this is the best vanilla ever because I got it from Mexico. And you pour just a little bit in, maybe like about a teaspoon or so. Then oh my goodness, I haven't used sugar in probably well over a year. The only reason I have sugar is if somebody comes over for coffee or tea and they want some in their coffee or tea. Okay, I'm going to start off maybe about a quarter of a cup. Not very much. You can put more in if you want. Okay, I'm not measuring this. I think I get that from my mom. She never measured much when she baked either. Put about that much marshmallows in. Start off with maybe about a third of the cup. I should let this fruit cocktail drain a little bit. Okay, I'm going to drain it into this bowl actually. Okay, I'm not sure if I'm going to put 1 or 2 bananas in here first, so We'll just slice it right in here. I don't need to say this is very high sugar content. So if you're diabetic, please be careful and eat just a wee little bit if you do. Okay, that should be nice and drained. We'll mix this up. Okay, I definitely can use more marshmallows and that third banana. I could have actually used another can of that fruit cocktail. Oh dear. It's been a little while since I've made this. I think since I had my international students, so that's what, 5 years now. Who's going to come over now and help me eat this? I'm just going to see if I have another fruit cocktail in my pantry. I'll be right back. Okay, so I have some crushed pineapple. So I'll open that up and I'll strain it and add it in here. I would prefer pineapple tidbits, but actually I prefer another can of fruit cocktail. So in a size like this, get 2 cans like this, 796 ml. Okay, I'm just straining this pineapple some. Oh, that looks a lot better. There, who's up for some nice dessert now? And I have these nice little bowls because, like I said, this is really sweet, so you only need a little bit to eat. Bon appetit! Oh, I forgot how good this was. Delicious. Thank you for watching. I love and I appreciate you all, and I hope to see you again soon. Please stay tuned for another video, or perhaps 2, of my bee journal coming this week.